There's almost never a bad consequence from a guy who overly prepares himself legally when he's entering into a custody battle or a divorce and custody battle. Yet, a person who underrepresents himself gets catastrophically demolished. And this is a topic that's happening right now on our Rising Man call on Friday. We're in the midst of our call. We're at the last 30 minutes of it. 2-hour call every Friday. We also do Saturday, Sunday, 6 hours, Wednesday, 6 hours, Monday as well. Thursdays we have meetups. I know I did the days of the week out of order, but come by, check it out. Links in the bio, all that sort of good stuff. But I want to tell you guys about this because so many guys, when they enter into a custody battle or a divorce and custody battle, they want to take the high road. They want to agree. They think getting the law involved, getting attorneys involved, going to court would somehow be going too far. And in reality, it's something that will make everything better. Sure, people might get offended at first. They might get angry while you're arguing over stuff for, a couple weeks, couple months, maybe a year. But in the long run, everything is going to be worked out better. Now, in order to involve the law, you also need to know the law. This means you need to know your state, your county. I said go down to the county clerk's office. Somebody wrote in on a YouTube or a TikTok comment today that what if your county clerk won't talk to you? Yeah, okay. But there's ways to examine. You can go on ChatGPT. You could do attorney consultations. You could go on Google, and I would definitely get everything organized to do your attorney consultations, but understand how the laws are determined. Now, in this, you then need to look at family court and look at how judges rule upon these different things. And go hard. There's very little consequence to it. The only consequence is she is going to be mad at you for going too hard. That doesn't mean you're being mean to her. That doesn't mean you're being disrespectful to her or spiteful to her. Yet everybody in public is going to say that. They're going to say that, you're too weak or you can't, stand up for yourself, all these different things. All this myth of how men are supposed to act in a divorce and a custody situation. You're going to be upset. It's okay. You're going to be rocked. You're going to not know what to do. It's okay. But do it legally. Do it legally and do it aggressively, not mean. Perhaps assertive is a better word. Not out of spite, but out of what is right. If you're in a divorce, your custody, your property, your alimony, your visitation, all these different things are divided properly and through the law. There's laws already written for them. When it comes to just custody, your visitation, child support, the custody agreement, parenting plan is done in the proper way. I cannot emphasize this enough. If you do not prepare and you want to take the high road and you step forward and anything moves in front of a judge, even a mediator or the attorney general, and something gets signed and it's only a little bit unfair, it's going to be very, very expensive, hard, enduring to reverse. And a lot of times in divorce and custody, perhaps I should have said this first, both parties get emotional, which means oftentimes your ex, soon to be ex, is going to be too emotional. She's going to step over the line. And the best way to keep her in check is to shut her up with the law. Learn how to speak in the courts. Stop believing the myth that you're going to get screwed. You get screwed by not being able to be prepared. And then after that, if you get screwed, corruption does exist. Judges do make bad decisions, but it's far less than we think. And most of the time, men are not doing their due diligence. I hope this means something to you. Check out The Rising Man. We will help guide you through this, help you through the emotional, mental, legal process through it. And look, man, there's so many ways where you could lose money in this. Do everything you can to save the money. That is what The Rising Man is here for. All right. In the meantime, check out this video, all that sort of stuff. Thank you. Talk to you soon.